Today guys, we're going to be unboxing the Airpods Max in 2022. Let's go. Okay guys, so I got the new Airpods Max. So these were on a discount, so we just bought them. These were released I think 2 years ago, 2020. Late 2020, and so yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this for you guys today. So let's get to unboxing. I'll also be making a review that's also with this video here. Whoa, okay, that's pretty good. So I daily drive the AirPods Pro, and I like to use that for it's very portable. The reason I want this is, I'm having this is because it's good for a home experience, home listening. So yeah. So anyways, let's just open the package. Okay. Whoa. This is the AirPods Max thing. Has that plastic in there. Has a nice canopy, mesh canopy. Okay, so let's just open this let's start from here. So beautiful, AirPods Max. They're such a beautiful headphones, very nice. And we also have this designed by Apple in California, which is really nice. Some paperwork. I heard there's no sticker so I'm not gonna find a sticker. This is the included lightning cable. Okay, so let's put the box and that over to the side. Okay, now let's open this case. Oh, very pretty. I like the space gray color. The green color we got, it was a used one, but it's the worst color, green. Why wouldn't they make the top part handle be green? Yeah. So this case I don't like that much. It's not very snappy as the AirPods. Woo-wee! Dude, these are the AirPods Max. And this is the inside. The metal is clinking onto each other. Very, very premium build. And these little eco things. Okay, so I'll test out if it works, and I'll give you my opinion on if the AirPods Max are still good in 2020. Hello guys, and I'll be talking about the AirPods Max and my experience with it. Let's get to it. So I've been using the AirPods Max for the past week. In this review, I'll be explaining what I've used before, design and comfort, average perspective on sound quality, special features, microphone tests, and lastly, my recommendations if you should buy the AirPods Max. The AirPods Pro is my daily driver for listening to videos and music while I'm traveling or when in situations that require me to put my AirPods on to not disturb others. I like the active noise cancellation mode on my AirPods Pro, and to sum up what the feature does, it uses the internal and external microphones to block out the outside noise so the outside noises don't bother you while you are listening to your music or videos. I've not just used the AirPods Pros, but also have had the Bose 700s that were, in my opinion, had some of the premium qualities that AirPods Max have, but the main flaw of them for me is that they felt very uncomfortable in my ears. And the Bose app sucked so bad. The AirPods Max first was released. The $550 price tag wanted to make my jaw drop. so I did not get it at launch. Recently, the prices have been going down to $450, which then was an acceptable price for me. Let's talk about the design first. The design is a beautiful aluminum over-the-ear cup design. Mine is the space gray one, but you can also get it in blue, pink, and lastly silver. There are nice stainless steel telescoping arms to have lots of adjustment. There is a mesh canopy to distribute the weight from the metal ear cups and also for decreasing the on-head pressure. It has soft fabric mesh ear cups that feel like a pillow to your ear. In my opinion of the comfort of AirPods Max on my head is that they feel great on my head and don't feel heavy at all. This is subjective because you may have a different head size than me, or you don't like headphones with a lot of weight to them. The canopy feels comfortable on my head without that hurting feeling after long extended periods of time. I've used these headphones for many hours when I am writing this YouTube script, and they have not made me take off these headphones. The one thing that I wish was better is the adjusting of the telescoping arms. Whenever I want to adjust the arms, I have to give them some force in order to move, unlike other headphones that have a more cheap plastic mechanism for adjusting the headphones, which at least there's less force needed for adjusting. Another thing that I don't like is the metal clinking whenever I take off the headphones. The ear cups are much more comfier than other headphones vegan like leather that they use, which can make my ears sweat. The AirPods Pro require me to clean the earbuds whenever I'm done using them because of my earwax problem. Moving on to the sound quality of the AirPods Max. A disclaimer before I talk about the sound quality is that I am no audiophile. I've listened to the song called Lonely by Justin Bieber and Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. The Lonely song sounds way better than my AirPods Pro. It was so good that I hear all the music instruments playing in the song. The Blinding Lights song had a much clearer bass than my AirPods Pro. How about we talk about the special features the AirPods Max has over the competition? AirPods Max have two buttons. One button is for switching from active noise cancellation, or ANC for short, to transparency mode. In my opinion of the ANC is that it blocks out most of the outside noise but does not block out people's noises. The transparency makes real life sound worse compared to AirPods Pros, which just sound like real life. Another feature that is common among all AirPods in the lineup, except for AirPods 2, is the spatial audio feature. And the one-tap setup, which is actually found on AirPods 2, by the way. I love how easy it was just to open up my AirPods Max and set them up with my iPhone. I also love the automatic switching that comes with my AirPods Max. I can simply switch between my Mac to my iPad to my iPhone. Spatial audio feature is awesome since I have lately watched the Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, and that movie supports Dolby Atmos. You can hear the sound effects from the many dinosaurs in the movie, and it has this immersive experience that you are almost like in the movie with Owen and Claire. Lastly, let's talk about the smart case. This is a heated topic from the internet. The smart case, in my opinion, is a very bad case for traveling. Usually, if you're buying headphones, it's really for traveling. That's why people are getting mad at them. I think that a better option would be just to use AirPods Pro if you're an Apple user, since they are much smaller than other headphones and can deliver the same AirPods features as AirPods Max. They also have a much simpler and better case that charges via the wireless charging, which is definitely good for sharing charges with family.
This is a microphone test using the AirPods Max. This is being recorded on the iPhone voice memo app. I have done a recording of this separately, so I do know the sound quality, and it's, I guess, good for calls, but I wouldn't use it as your streaming microphone or, those types. So, yeah. Bye.
These are my recommendations for if you should buy the AirPods Max. The AirPods Max are good for people who want the best home comfortable listening experience, and money is no object for them, and also that they have AirPods Pro for traveling. If you don't like headphones at all, then you should go for the AirPods Pro for the noise cancellation and transparency mode. If you want a more mid-range option of AirPods, then go for AirPods 3, which have the same features as the higher-end ones, except for the noise cancellation and transparency modes. If you want the cheapest AirPods, then go for AirPods 2. If you are an Android user, you should probably never buy AirPods or AirPods Max, because it would be a waste of money, and it's better off going with third-party headphones or earbuds. I will be using AirPods Max as my home device for watching videos and movies, and my AirPods Pro for bringing them with me to travels. I'm going in recently to many travels, so I will need a smaller headphones for that, with smaller earbuds. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and bye!